First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the site, look next to the URL in the address bar and click on the site information icon. Now click on Cookies and Site Data, then select Manage On-Device Site Data. Delete everything that appears here, then click Done. Next, click on the Site Information icon again and select Site Settings. Click Delete Data. Confirm by clicking Delete. Then select Reset Permissions and click Reset. Solution 2. Now head over to the Start menu, search for View Network Connections, and open it. Find your active network adapter, then double-click it. Click Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server to 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. Solution 3. Go back to the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now type the following command and press Enter, ipconfig/flush DNS. Next, type netshwinsock reset. Press Enter again. Finally, go back to the Start menu, search for Network Reset, and open it. Click Reset Now, then click Yes to confirm. Your PC will restart automatically in about 5 minutes, or you can restart it manually right away. After your computer restarts, open your browser and visit ChatGPT again. The issue should now be fixed, and that's it.